Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by aligning prerequisites and taking immediate action. Set a target bedtime and make it realistic. Consistency trains your circadian clock. Once set, reduce light exposure 60 to 90 minutes before lights out so melatonin can rise naturally. Make sure to stop caffeine by 2 p.m. and finish heavy meals 2 to 3 hours earlier to prevent digestion disruption. Do this tonight. Pick your time, dim lights, and skip late stimulants. These steps start the biological shift toward sleep. You continue by building a specific wind-down ritual. Begin 20 to 40 minutes before bed with low-stimulation activities like light reading, gentle stretches, or a warm shower to lower core temperature. That drop helps sleep onset. Once done, eliminate screens or apply strong blue light filters because blue wavelengths suppress melatonin. Then practice progressive breathing. Inhale for 4 to 6 seconds and exhale for 6 to 8 seconds, 5 to 10 minutes. You finish by securing the schedule and knowing what to do if it slips. Wake at the same clock time every day to anchor your sleep drive. Consistency is the strongest cue. If you lie awake more than 20 minutes, get out of bed and do a calm activity until drowsy. Avoid staring at the clock. If you still struggle across 3 nights, shift bedtime by 15 minutes earlier or later to find the right window. One key troubleshooting tip: tweak incrementally and stick with the change for several nights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.